A trust and a holding company need assets to hold. I know that we're in this time that everyone wants to have a trust. Everyone wants to have a holding company and remain anonymous. And that's great. And as an attorney, as an asset protection attorney, I encourage people to have a trust when it makes sense. Not everyone needs a trust because sometimes your estate plan does not call for a trust. Because again, a trust needs assets to hold. It doesn't mean that you have to be rich, but if we have no car, no home, and we have no true assets for the trust to hold, or for the holding company to hold, we have no businesses, we have nothing for us to put in that trust or that holding company, then I will be doing you a disservice by setting up this estate planning tool for you when you can't really use it. And it's great to go ahead and pre-plan to make sure we have things in advance for when we need them, so we're already set up. But at the same time, it costs you a lot to set up those plans. If you do it right with an estate planning attorney, it's not something you can go ahead and get from a seminar for $100 or $1,000, right? It is a very costly plan to set up a trust and also a holding company to strategize things accordingly. So, a holding company and a trust need assets to own. Doesn't mean you have to be rich, but we have to have something for it to own. And we have to make sure that that plan works for your situation. I'm a big advocate for trust when it makes sense. Our firm specializes in estate planning. We will never sell you something that you do not need because we're not a salesperson. We're your attorney and your financial advisor here to guide you properly on things that make sense for you and your family. Reach out to us, let's work together, and we'll make sure to give you a plan that works for your situation.